How to gain 1,000 followers on LinkedIn. Before you start, make sure your page is complete and engaging the audience that you want to target. Pages with complete and accurate information, like precise summary, catchy headline, and visible call to action button, are viewed 30% more often, on average, than those without it. Your target audience will be more inclined to follow your page or profile if your content is relevant and beneficial to them and grabs their attention. Once you're done optimizing your profile, it's time to boost your follower count. Here are some productive ways to gain 1,000 followers on LinkedIn. 1. Implement SEO, search engine optimization, on your page. We already know how search engine optimization is important for websites and blogs to stay relevant in the SERPs. Like websites, optimizing your LinkedIn page for the search helps you rank higher in the LinkedIn search results. You can optimize your LinkedIn page by including keywords after thorough keyword research throughout your page. You can insert keywords in different sections of your LinkedIn page, like headline. Write a clear and catchy headline. Use this field to explain your job title and area of expertise in a clear and precise manner. For example, make sure you always include those keywords. Thank you for watching, and make sure you follow us for more updates on LinkedIn.